media. Yes, man.
Hello?
Hello?
Is this David the seller from eBay?
Yes, it is. Who is this?
I'm going to need my money back.
Excuse me?
I want my money back!
Money back for what?
You know for what? I had a pair of J's for you and him selling shoes, me get 2 pair of J's.
Listen, bro.
You order J's.
You got some J's. What's the problem?
Boss man, no ramp with me, no.
What ramp are you talking about? Are we building something?
You know, say man, a Jamaican.
Okay, Sam Sharp, and I'm supposed to be
Scared right now. You don't even know where I live, bro. Ask yourself this. How me get your number? Yeah, you can't talk now. You can't talk now. Listen, all you have to do is just send me back my money or face the consequences.
Listen, I'm not sending back shit, because you're not going to do me shit.
Suck your people them. Things I'm not play.